No brushes, no problem. 1, 2, and 3. Blend with your fingers and you're done. Today I'm going to be showing you a look that's universally flattering on everybody. And best part is you don't even need brushes to blend. You can blend with your fingers. And I'm only going to be using 3 eyeshadows. So without further delay, let's begin. Okay, let's start with the eyebrows. I usually skip this part, but so many of you have been asking me for eyebrow routine. It's pretty simple with me. I just use a brown or a black eyeshadow, or I mix them both up depending on what color my eyebrow is for that day, and I just fill it in. I'm just using an angled brush here. This is from the drugstore, has no brand on it. You can use any angled brush, or you can also use a flat definer brush. First, I brush my brow hair downward so I can clearly see on top and fill it in. And then I brush my brow hair upwards and fill the lower part in. And then using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows. So that'll help to conceal any hair or any discoloration that I have underneath the brows. But I'm not going to be using it on my lid as a primer. That's because I'm going to be using cream eyeshadows today. In fact, I'm going to be using cream eyeshadow sticks. Cream eyeshadows perform best when applied over a primer or nothing at all underneath. If you apply it over a concealer, sometimes it can mix with the concealer and it might not even show. Today I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, just adding a light touch all over my lid with my finger. Again, for today's look, I'm just going to be using 3 eyeshadow sticks. These are sticks that I carry everywhere with me when I travel. But you can also use powder eyeshadow if you prefer, whatever you have basically. These are the Laura Mercier Caviar sticks. First, for the lid, you'll need a neutral or a nude shade. I'm going to be using Nude Rose. It glides on very easily on the lids. I'm going to dab it with my finger and buff out the edges. Next, you'll need a deeper shade to add some definition and contouring. I'm going to be using the shade Rose Thorn. I'm carving out my outer corner with it, and I'm going to buff it out with my finger to add definition. You can also bring it all the way to the crease towards the inner corner to make your lid space appear bigger. I'm also going to be using it in my lower lash line, and again, I'm going to smudge it out with my finger. And for that pop of highlight in the center of the lid, I'm going to be using Strapless. This is a soft nude shimmer. Again, I'm going to be blending it out with my finger. If you prefer, you can also use it in your inner corner and also to highlight your brow bones. But today, I'm just going to be using it in the center of the lid. That's pretty much it. You can finish this up the way you like. There's some leftover eyeshadow in my angled brush. So I'm going to use it just to stamp a little wing in the outer corner. All I have to do is just press it in, and that'll create a really soft wing. Time to finish up. I'm going to first curl my lashes with the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Beyond Mascara. This is by City Beauty. You can also use false lashes if you prefer. You can finish this up the way you like. But today, the whole point of this tutorial is to keep everything looking really simple, really quick and easy. So I'm just going to stick with mascara. And here is the finished eye look. How quick and easy is that? Would you try it? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're going to be using powder eyeshadows, use a neutral nude eyeshadow on your lid. Use a deeper one in the outer corner and your lower lash line. And right in the center of the lid, you can also use a highlighter instead of an eyeshadow. Either or works. For lipstick, I've become really bold after using the Lips Kit. So I wanted to do something different. So I'm going to be using the Pixie lipstick. This is from the Mariam collab. It's almost like a nude orange and a peach mix. But after applying it, I chickened out a bit, so I had to mellow it down. So I decided to use the Ultra Glossy Lip by ColourPop in Attention Hall over it. And here's the finished look. I really love this eye look because it's so quick and easy, especially when you travel. Just have 3 eyeshadows with you and it gets done so quick. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several times a week. Do check out the description box for all the products that I use today. I've listed each and every one of them with links. And also I have links to my social media in case you plan to follow me there. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.